Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Asyrawi and you're watching a pre-recorded video before the event. I will be showing you on how to use Microsoft OneNote effectively. So what actually is OneNote? OneNote is a digital notebook where you can store all your notes in one place instead of you putting notes in random folders. You can use OneNote on your PC, tablets, or even on mobile devices. Another interesting feature is that it syncs with all your devices if you are logged in to your Microsoft account, which makes taking down notes even easier. So, now let's have a look on where you can get OneNote. For Windows PC user, you can go to the OneNote website here, www.onenote.com/download, and download the installer from there. Click on the download and an installer will appear. Just click and follow the guide and you will have OneNote ready. For Mac users, you can find it in the App Store, and if you're using mobile devices such as an iPad or Android, you can find either in the App Store or Google Play, depending on which platform you are using. The best part of it, it's free. And then alternatively, you can get OneNote by going to the Microsoft Store. Just search for OneNote and select OneNote for Windows 10 version. I just want to highlight that there is not much a difference between uh, from the Microsoft Store and the one you downloaded from the website. Another interesting feature on OneNote is that there is a web version for, let's say you're in a computer lab or in a library and you notice that there is no OneNote in the machine. So what you can do is go to Microsoft 365, log in to your Microsoft account, and you can select OneNote over here, and you will get the same thing. OneNote, whether it's the Windows 10 version or tablet version, all of them are the same. So okay, so now let's assume that you already have OneNote installed in your devices. So you as soon as you open it, you will be greeted with this one lovely quick note, which lets you know on what to do. So let's start with our first notebook. Head to the notebook tab over here, right click on it, and select new notebook. Okay, I highly recommend you to sign in into your Microsoft account. Because why? Because it enables you to sync uh, with your devices. So let's say if today I want to use a computer, but then when I'm going to class I want to use my tablet or my phone, you will have your notes ready. So let's give it a name. Let's say school. And notice that it gives you a note where it says your notebook has been created. Would you like to share it with other people? Well, I will go through this later on, but for now we will just keep it for now. Alright, now we will be greeted with our notebook with a blank page with one section called new section. So we could always change the name of the section, so maybe I will name this English. And there you go, your first section, which is English. But you must be wondering, can you only have one section? Nope, you can have as much section, as much pages you want, because it is unlimited. Well, not really unlimited, because the restriction size is 10 gigabyte, but 10 gigabyte is quite enormous for a note. So let's create a new section, which I will name it mathematics. Or and maybe I'll add a new section called chemistry. Chemistry. So let's now you have these lovely section, but let's say, oh no, I don't like the color blue on English. I wanted something more, you know, my preference. Maybe I'll give it a yellow. So you can always right click on it, select the section color, and you can choose whatever color you desire. Like in this case, I would like to go with yellow. Alright. So now you have changed your section color English to yellow. So now let's go to the first page. So notice that you will be greeted with a blank empty page, and you will notice that there is a date. Well, OneNote is quite intelligent, which it records your date starting when you write it. Okay, let's say in this page I want to type in literature. Literature. And now you can start in with writing whatever notes you want. So just to let you know that the pages are infinite, so you're not restricted to an A4 size. And the best part is you can write anywhere you want. So let's say I'll just write here. Hello, my name is Asyrawi. And right over here, you can always, like I said, you can write anywhere you want and do. So you can always write, click your mouse over here and start typing. Start typing. Okay, another interesting with OneNote is that you have the same feature as like Microsoft Words, meaning that you can always change your fonts. You can change your font size also, and even so, you can always do bullets. But let's say that a bullet is too common, because why not? Let's do a checklist. So these are many interesting things you can do with OneNote, because you have the checklist and all these other stuff. So let's say checklist, maybe uh, have I done my homework, and then we'll just create a new checklist. Okay, maybe buy groceries. Sorry that I have to go out of topic from literature to buying groceries. So, like another interesting key feature is that you can always drag all these notes wherever you want. So let's say we'll add in some more stuff, like okay, uh, we'll type in more stuff. Let's say a list of food, cereal, carrot, maybe chicken. And you can always drag this wherever you want in your note. Like I said, it's infinitely big, and you can go wherever you want. And notice that what I did was just making the page bigger, that's all. Okay, now let's go back. And let's go to mathematics. So I'll create a new page called algebra. Another interesting feature in OneNote is that you can always write mathematical formulas in it. So select insert, go to equations, and you can type in your equations that you want. Maybe I'll write in the linear line equation, y equals to mx plus c, and then maybe I'll just write in linear line equation. And there you go, your first mathematical equation in OneNote. Oops, there's a little typo here. Equation. So now that you've already have your maybe algebra page, maybe let's start a new page called calculus. Calculus. As I mentioned before, you can have as infinite number of pages you want. And of course, if you want to learn more about OneNote, to unlock its truly full potential, because this is just a glimpse. You can do actually more with this. Come into our event, which will be running on 28th June until 4th of July 2021. I'll be making sure to see you soon.